Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see wall decor. So step is here. First of all, go to Google, then find aesthetic wallpapers. I will suggest go for Pinterest. So here are the results. Yeah, there you need to select a Pinterest. Select any picture with the good quality which will feels with the positive vibes, bright picture. For example, this picture is so neat and clear and good in a quality, so just download it. So here I have already chosen some of the picture which I felt good and I have arranged it. Just print it out with the good paper quality and laminate them. Now start sticking double-sided tape behind your posters. Just stick them, don't remove their covers. Why to laminate our posters? So when you laminate it, first of all it gets a thickness and it gets a shine, and our posters is of a paper, of course, so it doesn't get wet easily because you need to stick it on a wall. Anything can happen. Also it will be a dust proof because of the lamination. Decide one order, in what order you want to stick them, and then start sticking it on a wall. Remove our double-sided tape and then start sticking it. While doing this, I was listening to a songs and I was happy with my all the process. I haven't muted original audio of my original video just for fun. It really looks amazing, sounds amazing. I was so happy. I am happy actually. Like, it turned out how I have imagined it should look. So I have just fast forwarded the video. It was really fun doing all this stuff. I was actually planning this from so many days, we can say months, but implemented it just some days before. But I was planning it from like a month, and my wall really looks amazing. Also a motivational walls, like every time you see or you look at the wall, it makes you feel happy. So that's the actual purpose of doing that. And of course, when you get bored, it's a nice way to enjoy your time, make it worth. The picture of alpaca, it's really cute. I loved it. I have used it just because I wanted something of a BTS in my room, and as if you are a BTS fan, you might know what alpaca represents. And this is cute ananas. Pineapple. Ananas, I like word ananas more than a pineapple, so that's it. So all the posters are here, and here my wall is completed. I hope you like this video. Please mention your comment in comment section below. Stay tuned.